Hello, I'm Cliff Hall from Cortekx with another snack video. In this edition, I'll show you how simple it is to sync data with Microsoft Power BI from Acumatica 6.1. Acumatica provides many ways to present information in dashboards for the user. The graphics and tables can be created in Acumatica or inserted from Microsoft Power BI as well. In order to do this, a generic inquiry is created with the data to be fed to Power BI. Generic inquiries in Acumatica look somewhat like this. There are tables to be selected, conditions to be used. In this case, anything that's greater than or equal to yesterday's date will show up for the invoices that we want to put into Power BI. Clicking on View Inquiry will show us the data that has been selected. Here you can see that invoice number 3587, dated the 26th today, has been selected for import into Microsoft Power BI. This data can be set up for scheduled export to a data warehouse such as SQL Server that's connected to Power BI. This is done by using export by scenario. Data being pulled in, so we prepared it for export. That's the date, the export, the item we'd like to send out, the invoice number 3587, and we'll just export it. Now these can be set up to be scheduled, or they can be done on demand as I've shown here. Once that export is done, it should now be available in Power BI. Showing it right here, here's 3587 that came in from the 26th. So the data came in as expected. Notice the table on the right-hand side, invoiced items, was the same information brought over from Acumatica. Once the data is in Power BI, you can then use it for creating graphics and tables. As an example, I want to take a look at what's happening with all of my products in Power BI. Then I want to narrow down to the one that I just did. Once the raw data is brought into Power BI, we can then use it to create graphics and tables and learn more about our business. For instance, from the data that I just brought in, I'll take a look at the item that was on the sales order and / invoice that we just imported. I want to find out how much we sold to Brasky. I can see Brasky is in Detroit. When I hover over it, I can see that we've sold them now 64 units of this particular product. The entire process of getting data from Acumatica to Power BI is fairly simple, as been shown here. Thank you for watching another Cortekx Snack video. Subscribe below and find out more about how we can help you enhance productivity and increase your profits.
Choose today to take control of your business. Unleash your potential and let your vision come to life with Acumatica. Find out more at Cortekx.com.